This is a basic mosaic tutorial, a do-it-yourself video. Am Yisrael Hai. The people of Israel live. Please like and subscribe. I printed out the state of Israel and put it on some paper. I'm sizing it up here for the mosaic mesh and gluing it down. You could choose any type of design you want that you could get on the internet and use this technique. So I've chosen a black ceramic tile for the background, and I'm just nipping it. Wear safety glasses if you want to do this at home. And going through the tedious method of just nipping and gluing, nipping and gluing. Make sure you're listening to some good music as you're doing this. Now, the colors inside here I've chosen are white and blue to go along with the Israeli state flag. And so this part of the tutorial seems a bit mundane and, what do you call it, tedious. And this is going faster. I took a whole bunch out just to make it go faster. Just nipping at little pieces and putting them there however I feel like it, and just making a little colorful project. I kind of did this on the whim with the advice of somebody. Said you should do a state of Israel. So yes, here we have it. And so here we're done removing the paper from the back. I'm moistening it so it comes off easily. Putting it down on the backer board, measuring it up, and marking it, and now scribing it with a T-square. I'm going down about 1/8 of an inch or a little bit more deeper, scribing quite a few times, and then you're able to snap the backer board and then trim the sides up. Now put hanging loops on the back so you can run a wire through the back and hang it on a wall. You don't necessarily have to do this, of course. If you wanted to put it in a backsplash or something like that, you wouldn't do that. Here I'm using the steel and cutting the tile pieces into larger tesserae, and then I'm nipping, making the border, and then filling it in. I glued the back of my mosaic and then glued it down to stabilize it. And here I am filling in the rest of the mosaic. A nice idea would have been here maybe to put some blue on the left-hand side to indicate the Mediterranean Sea, where the Iranians wanted to try and push the Israelis into the sea. But of course we know that'll never happen. All right, ready for framing for the travertine. Using the tile saw. Very nice, easy process. The travertine makes a really nice frame for these pieces. Gives it kind of an old mosaic look. So I'm gluing the frame pieces in. I've cut them all to size, making sure I have a nice level surface on the back to make sure that the frame is nice and even. I'm doing a little bit of cleaning, and here I'm taking my mixer and mixing up the grout. It's a Mocha grout. The Mocha is the color. This is definitely the most favorite part of doing all this. It's the most rewarding, as you can see, and you sponge it away and clean it off, and you come up with a really nice mosaic. So another quality mosaic from Van Abema Designs. Please like, subscribe, share, leave comments or questions below. There are lots of things that weren't addressed in this video, but if you leave a comment or a question, I'll get back with you. Thanks, and shalom. Toda rabah.